Meanwhile, one does go on to think what happens to the Supreme Court putting down Section 66A unfettering speech, and on the other hand, when is it that our politicians will actually develop an appetite or a skin when it comes to criticism? We're going to keep tracking details, but let's move into more breaking news that we are getting in right now from the national capital. What we do know is that radioactive material leak has been reported from the Delhi airport, specifically at the import cargo terminal. According to reports, the cargo came in from Turkey. The NDRF anti-sabotage team is on the spot taking stock of the situation, but initial reports suggest that there has been a radioactive leak. We do not know the extent of damage or exposure. We're going to try and connect to my colleague Atir Khan, and maybe he can give us more details on the story. Atir, do you have any more details coming in on the story, please?
Well, the only initial reports coming in so far, there at the cargo terminal, some radioactive material has been detected, following which the NDRF and other agencies have been alerted, and they are reaching the spot to make an assessment of what this material is. Now, all that is known about the consignment is that it had come from Turkey. The details are being taken out as to who is the consignee and where this material was meant to be sent. But then, as of now, it is a safety hazard, and also the security angle is involved. So,
right. Do we know the extent of this leak, Atir?
Well, it's not really clear as of now, but what we know is that the entire place has been isolated, and NDRF officials have now reached there, and they are trying to make an assessment of the situation there.
All right, appreciate you joining us. We're going to leave it at that. Atir, going to keep coming back for more on that.